What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell so whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on. And hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle X1M, the Hussle family. King Hussle Crazy Reactions and turn motivation into millions. Also, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up. All my official social media links, all right? So beware of all the scam pages I got out there from Instagram, Telegram, YouTube, you name it. There's a lot of people out there creating fake pages, impersonating me, scamming people. So before y'all send your money to anybody saying they King Hussle, please get a FaceTime verification call or video before you send your money to make sure you're talking to me and doing legit business, all right? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. I'm not telling anybody to do anything, so let's get this thing started. So this video, it's Sunday, and you know I drop a lot of videos on loans and ways to get money and new hacks and credit hacks and things like that, but I never really talk about the base of things. I never really talk about where it all starts, where it all stems from, where it starts so you can be able to even do these things. And a lot of people don't understand the law of attraction and manifestation. And what I mean about that is a lot of people out there that don't understand, if you say you want to be a millionaire, a multi-millionaire, you say you want to be a billionaire, you say you want to own this business, own that business, do this or do that, law of attraction will attract you to do these certain things and it will happen, right? So you got to manifest and you got to understand law of attraction. And a lot of people don't understand that. And this is the base of things, because this is where it all starts. If you're going to become a multi-millionaire, a businessman or woman, a successful person in life, you got to start manifesting these type of things, all right? And it's like water and seed. So the first thing you have to do is, and this is for the people out there who have a strong mind, who are strong-minded people, because a lot of people think talking to yourself is weird, talking to yourself is crazy. But at the end of the day, no one's going to motivate you to be successful but you. No one's, you're not going to be around people all day, every day. It's rarely you have somebody that's around you 24/7 that's going to motivate you to go do whatever you need to do to become successful. It's very, very, very rare. It's almost unheard of, because everybody has their own life. But that little thought in your head, that little voice in your head that's always talking to you, that's always motivating you to do this and do that, and telling you playing around, you need to be doing this, you need to be doing that. That's the person that's going to motivate you. That's the person that's going to help you manifest, and that's the person that's going to help you gather the law of attraction so you can be successful. So a lot of people want to be successful. A lot of people want to be millionaires, but you got to understand the law of attraction. So the things you have to do is you got to say, okay, I want to be a millionaire. I want to do this. I want to do that. You got to start putting it in your thoughts. You got to start planting these seeds. It's like everything else, and you got to water the seeds, and that's how it grows. So you got to plant the seed first. And the first seed is to figure it out what you want to do, how you're going to become a millionaire. What's the process? Some people want to become an entertainer. Some people want to do podcasting. Some people want to do YouTube. Some people want to be car salesman. Some people want to do so many different things. But you got to start planning it in your head. You got to start saying, okay, I want to do this. These are the things that I need to do to make this happen. And that's how you start watering those seeds. Because let's just say I want to be a YouTuber or something. Okay, you got to say, okay, I got to start making these videos. I got to start dropping 10 videos a day. I got to be consistent. I got to, because I know if I do it, this could be the outcome, and this can be what can happen. Because a lot of people worry about what they don't have when they need to be worrying about what they could have. And what I mean by that is, a lot of people worry about, oh, I don't have this backdrop, oh, I don't have this intro, or oh, I don't have this or that, so it's hindering me from doing this type of job. When a lot of people don't understand, you're worrying about the wrong things. When you could be worrying about, man, I need to just put this phone in front of my face and just make a video and just start the journey, start the process, make it raw and uncut so people can see the growth. That's what really matters. When you're 100%, when you're authentic. Too many people worry about the wrong things when they could be worrying about what they could have. You never know. That one video, that two video, that three video, that third video can really take off and start put you in a position that you need to be, because you're authentic, you're real. And like I said, you got to manifest the law of attraction. You got to start. If you want to be successful, you want to be a millionaire, you want to do certain things, you got to start hanging around these certain people. You got to start going to these certain spots where these type of people hang out or do business at. You got to literally install in your head that, you know what, I want to be so successful in life that I'm going to make it happen. And I'm going to I'm going to do my research and figure out how I need to do it. And I'm going to take the steps and trust the process and do whatever I need to do to make it happen. Because like I said, law of attraction is 100% real. Manifestation is 100% real. You can manifest that you're going to be this NBA player, you in high school, and you take all the steps that you need to take and you actually get there. You might not be the #1 draft pick. You might not get drafted. But long as you work hard and you stay manifesting, in the law of attraction, you put yourself in these positions, you'll get there. You know how many random people pop up in the NBA on random teams every year that's nobodies that we never heard of, that have that has a great story or journey of how they even got there, that they're a great NBA player. So many different stories with so many different things, and we never know about those stories until it happens. You have to build something. You got that law of attraction is real. You want to be the best dancer, you want to be the best whatever. Figure out what it takes, what you need to accomplish that. Once you figure that out, you got to start working towards that. You got to start doing the things that will get you towards that dream of manifesting whatever you want to do. You might got to go work out every day. You might got to go play the piano every day. You might got to, like I said, drop 10 YouTube videos a day. You might got to go watch 10 car videos a day to learn the business. There's so many different things that as long as you manifest it, you got to make sacrifices. You got to cut off the things that's hindering you, that's holding you back from even being able to manifest and attract the law of attraction, because a lot of people don't understand. You might have the best plan, the best blueprint to make these millions, but that one person that's by you, that one friend, that one boyfriend, that one girlfriend, that one aunt, that one person is blocking you from getting that dream because they're in your life, they're hindering you from it. There's something about them that you might love them too much. You might be too focused on them. There's something about them that's hindering you. So once you get them out the way, you might have to stop talking to them, break up with them, whatever. Now you can straight focus on your goal, on your dream, and now you can actually start working towards it. And that's what a lot of people don't understand. Life is 100% open to anybody out there. Being wealthy is 100% open to everybody out there in the world. It's just, what are you going to do to obtain it? Being successful is not easy. Once you get it, you got to do it, more things to keep it. And it's possible. People got to start maturing their brain. People got to really start thinking wiser and thinking brighter, because I know it's a lot of homeless people out there. It's a lot of people that's not in the same position. It's a lot of people that's financially not free or not financially stable, but that's cool. It's okay. Long as you want to really make it happen, really become a multi-millionaire, really become a boss, cut the check and all that type of stuff like that, you got to manifest it. You got to start putting yourself in a position for you to start attaining these dreams. If it take you to go, even like I told y'all, if it take you to go sign up for school, get those school checks, and start just to get some money to plant those seeds and start watering them seeds to build that money tree so the money can fall, do what you got to do, but manifest it. You got to think outside the box. You got to step outside the box and understand life is a free for all. You can become a millionaire. You can become a millionaire. You can become a millionaire, a multi-millionaire, even a billionaire. You just got to work towards it. You got to make sacrifices. You got to say, you know what? Yeah, I want to do it. I know the steps to do it, but I'm lazy. I'm procrastinating. Stop procrastinating and do it, because once you start to do it, once you get in the groove of doing it and you actually see that it's paying off, you continue to do it and it'll literally start paying off. It's not. And people think that success is overnight. No, success is not overnight. A lot of people think, oh, I'm going to do this and be this tomorrow. No, it's a process. Life is a process. But you got to understand, there's only 24 hours in a day. And the days go by fast. So the consistency is what matters. As long as you stay consistent at what you're doing and going towards your goal, it will happen. Because a lot of people start some stuff, start working towards things, and they stop. And once you stop, people pass you up. And the longer you stop, the longer you're going to be at the same position, while people are getting farther and farther ahead, and they accomplish the goals that you wish you could have accomplished if you would have just kept going. Consistency is the key. You don't have to be the best YouTuber, but as long as you're consistent with dropping videos and doing what you need to do, You that's all that matters. So my people out there, start manifesting your success. Start putting yourself in positions to be successful. If you tired of that person, listen, I don't care if you work at McDonald's, Taco Bell, Burger King, Culver's, Rallies, Checkers, do a janitor job, get paid under the table, you still have the opportunity to become a multi-millionaire, to become successful. You just got to come up with a plan, stick to the plan, manifest it, and make it happen. You're getting paid when you working at McDonald's. You're getting a check, so you're getting away and get some money. So now you got to figure out how are you going to invest this money? How are you going to learn something new? How are you going to do something new to make more money to get to your goal? All right. So my people out there, start manifesting, start understanding the law of attraction, because once you do, I guarantee you'll get farther ahead in life, and a lot of great things will happen to you, and your dreams will come true. All right. It's your boy King Hussle. Shout out to all my real King Hussle fans and supporters, because without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me to keep going. Y'all motivate me to keep dropping the sauce, and y'all motivate me to keep y'all entertained. So I salute y'all. Make sure y'all follow me on all my social media platforms and YouTube, so you won't miss out on anything. I'm still looking for people for the production company, models, content creators, producers, cameramans, artists. Music reviews is $200. You can't invest in yourself. Why should I invest $200,000 in you? Always keep that in mind before you write me. Send me any of your video links or anything. And let's win. Limited gems, $500 for a couple more days. Don't miss out on that. Book your seat on the crypto tour, in-person limited gems. $3,500 you come to me, $4,500 I come to you, $500 deposit, the rest of the money when I get to you. And we're going to learn, we're going to elevate together, and we're going to win. It's your boy King Hussle. I'll see you at the next video. Peace. Manifest. Law of attraction. Make it happen.